off this order.
Pick up.
And then I'm going to the market, and y'all will see. Hey y'all, it's Jonnae, and I'm finally back with another video. And not finally, y'all just seen me Wednesday, right? I really just thought I was recording the whole intro and didn't record shit. I'm all beat up or whatever, cause I just finished filming that Skims video for y'all, finally. And I just finished filming a TikTok for my business page. If you want to see that, go follow my business TikTok. But now I'm ready to take everything off, to be 100% honest. I'm hot, I'm sweating, shit is not looking well. What you about to do? He is about to get his pamper changed because I think I smell poop, and that's never cute. So he about to get his pamper changed, and I'm about to make him a bottle, and we about to chill out till it's time for him to get in the tub. And then tonight I'm gonna edit. Did I mention today was Tuesday? It's Tuesday. Good morning, y'all, or good afternoon. It's 3 o'clock. Let me turn the air off. I'm about to deliver a package for my business. We got another sale, honey. We running a Mother's Day sale right now, so yeah, business is booming. And I just wanted to get on here and like just say, cause you know you gotta talk about, like, when you're grateful about stuff, like you gotta talk about what you're thankful for, so more stuff like that happen in your life. And I really believe that, and I really need to come on here and say how thankful I am, like, for like people supporting me on my business and everything, like even supporting my YouTube channel. Like, I get down and I drop out, dropping the case. I'm so grateful for so much stuff in my life, and it really helps, like, putting positivity out into the world. Like, you're gonna get positivity back. I promise you. Just try it for a week and tell me, like, don't better stuff happen to you. Like, I need to go drop off this order, and then I'm going to the market, and y'all will see me and my bestie are having like a little CINCO De Mayo day or whatever. So I'm making tacos, and I'll probably get some chips so we can have nachos and stuff too, just in case. She bringing the tequila. We gonna make some margaritas. I got some ice. So all that shit not hot, because I don't have no ice in my house. So yeah, ghetto. I know, I'm fucking ghetto. Didn't wind up editing or doing anything last night, really. I just pretty much cleaned up. But I did edit this morning. I edited some of the Skims video, but I already decided that I'm not uploading it tomorrow. Like, I'm gonna upload it next Wednesday. And so the last vlog, that's gonna be the first video I have like back up. And the vlogs go up on Sundays. If y'all don't know, please like, comment, and subscribe, because you get a new video every Wednesday and Sunday, honey. But yeah, my vlogs go up on Sundays, so I'm just gonna post my Sunday vlog on Sunday and not post this Wednesday. But yeah, and then this vlog will be the Sunday after. You know, y'all are in the past. It's like time travel. It's crazy. If you look at my Instagram, you can see what I'm doing today, you know? When we get to the market. My son is with me, of course, you know, my ride or die. He's always with me. So yeah, I'll holler at y'all later.
Throwing money in a spiral. Every time the girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my home. She shake her ass through the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tide roll. I be blowing up like some pyro. 150 call it Cairo. Yeah, she left with me, she go right home. And she brought me like a DMX. And she said the D is the dino. I got 2 horns like a rhino. There's no way you can ride home, but I better mention with the dino. Cause I opened up the slide door, so you can hear it in the dino.
Something's never changed. Like nobody was
Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Foreign girls and they test, I can't choose. Foreign car got me.
You tired?
I can't prove. They got on my dad. I can't even see the time. They don't wanna see your face. I'ma go and get behind.
I'm going. Me and my son's going to see my baby, his godmom, my homegirl. We gonna see her real quick. She wanna see the baby. Shit, not in park, trying to floor it. Enterprise gonna get this bitch back and be like, first of all, bitch, you put regular gas in here. Then had the nerve to keep revving the engine. Girl, they gonna charge my egg. They gonna be like, then my niece was in here and she was eating some motherfucking cheese curls. Girl, that shit all in the back of the car. I'm like, girl. Yeah. Girl, they gonna charge my eggs. They gonna be like, yeah, we had to charge you an extra $100 cleaning fee. You know how the motherfucking rental places be. I'm like, well, can you charge Geico? Cause y'all know, I got this car cause my car in the shop. But I'm not paying for it. My insurance company, cause I got the best insurance ever. My insurance company, Geico, they're paying for it in full. Your parents' insurance, people. Stay on your parents' good side all your teenage years so you can get on your parents' insurance. People be paying more. Me and my mom got 3 cars on our insurance. People be paying more for one car at my age than we be paying for all 3 of our cars. Like, fuck no. I would never. Because I started driving when I was like 17, 18. That's when I got my first car. Girl, I would have never paid for no insurance that age. I remember motherfuckers was working, wasn't moving out, wasn't doing shit, just had a car, like a hoopty at that. Like I have a, which I'm not knocking nobody, but like just to be like, oh, I'm independent. Like fuck that. I'm independent. I got my own house. Like I don't know. I can't say what I would have told because my mother helped me out, and I'm really appreciate that. But yeah, I don't know. It's just that whole car thing is. It used to be like people would be driving 1999s, paying like $800 insurance. I'm not paying no motherfucking $500 insurance. I'm not paying none of that shit. None of that shit. Our insurance is not even over $500 with 3 cars, and I done had 3 accidents. And they keep putting it up. Like it's the highest it's ever been, and it's still not higher than it would have been. So yeah. But yeah, y'all. About to go see my baby. I'll talk to y'all later when we during the CINCO De Mayo festivities.
I'ma make you lose his mind. Just made 100K. That was quicker than a line. I was thinking on my mind. Trying to put me down, but I climbed. I'ma get it, can't try. You don't remember that's fine. You the ones that be slide, and they the ones that be die. You my boys that be ride. They never thought you would side. I know you and
Y'all, I'm sorry I didn't get no videos of my CINCO De Mayo for y'all. 5 o'clock in the morning right now. Like I didn't go to sleep. Like we was up talking till like 4 o'clock. Then I just got in the shower and washed my hair. So that's why we looking a little cray. Cause I ain't really blow dry all the way, but that's because bitch, I'm tired as shit. Like, and I know my son is about to wake up at like 7 o'clock. Good night. Y'all see me tomorrow, hopefully, if I'm not like irritable as fuck. My son's bottles for the day are clean. My dishes from CINCO De Mayo, on the other hand, will have to wait for tomorrow because, baby, that's all I'm worried about. Good night. Hey, y'all. It's like 3 o'clock. I'm up. The day's going smoothly. I did wash my hair and blow dry my hair last night. I think I'm gonna get my mother to try to braid it down today so I can my wig on this weekend. My inventory for my store, which I'm gonna put right here, my boutique, my clothes. I know they're coming this weekend or even the beginning of next week, so I won't be able to put my wig on, so I'm gonna get her to braid my hair down. There's some kids outside. I hope it's not loud in the background. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I ain't really got nothing to do. My son sleeps, so I'm just like, we might go on a walk. Y'all, I did get a chance to wash my dishes. So y'all, I'm dirty as fuck. I'm letting them dry and I'm gonna put them away. But yeah, I did wash all of them. So yeah, it's just something about washing dishes the same night that don't sit right with me. Like if I wanted to wash them the same night, I just throw them in the dishwasher. Hey y'all, it's later on in the day now. Hair still ponytail up. We about to go on a little walk. I got my waist trainer on. And I'm about to grab his bike. And we just gonna go for a little walk around the neighborhood just so he can get some sun. You know, I feel like my baby ain't been out all week.
never reach my goals. I be walking with a slime nose, and I'm also walking with my side hole. Only time I be walking when I'm on the move, so I feel like Michael. I was talking to my little slime, that's a little lizard called a Geico. In reality, I'm 5-0, stand on my money now, 6'6". Hit her once, now she just missed, can't fuck her sister, make her leak dick. 40 only make my hip dig. When I see her, I make the clip Get it raw, yes, I am a dog. I don't do this shit for no image. All my diamonds, they be hitting hard. Try to play me, boy, that's a scrimmage. They got on my dad. I can't even see the time. They don't wanna see her face. I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the red. I'ma make it lose his mind. I just made 100K. I was quicker than a vine. I was flicking from my mind. Try to put me down, but I climb. I'ma get it, keep trying. It's no reason for the grind. You the ones that be sliding, they the ones that be dying. You my boys that be riding. You my doors superstar. Just do anything now. Might go my time to get it from cake out. I'm frosting my diamonds, I'm getting the.
So I'm trying to get my son to go to start sleeping in his crib again. Night 1. I'm sleeping on the floor in his room, and here we are. At 2 a.m. he woke up and he won't let me leave out the room. He was doing so good. Do not have kids, do not have kids, do not have kids. My son knocked his TV over, broke it, and almost hit himself on the head. What the fuck? Never have kids. Never. Never. Good morning, y'all. It's Saturday. It's Saturday. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. I don't really have anything to do today, like any plans, like going outside, pretty much. Ooh, I need to see if I can order my son some food, because hopefully Amazon got some spots. I can make it till tomorrow, but I don't really feel like leaving out the house today, per se. So hopefully I can order some. If not, we'll be going to Target or something to pick some up. What I want to do today is I'm going to try to clean my house, because I feel like my house is just a mess right now. Like, every room I feel like I need to get to. But the way I do it is I work from the front to the back. So I'm cleaning the living room first. Then I'm going to the kitchen. And I'm gonna, the kitchen not that bad, because I don't really got no dishes or nothing. Because I've been eating tacos pretty much since CINCO De Mayo. And so I'm going to the kitchen and try to wash some of my son's bottles and stuff before he wake up. So yeah, we gotta just clean the living room. I want to put my wig on tonight. We'll see if I get a chance to do that. Cause I have to put my wig on soon, because I have to do a photo shoot soon for my business. Cause I got some new arrivals coming in. They should be here by the 11th. So I'm gonna have to have my wig on by next week. So I braided my hair already. That's why I got my bonnet on. But yeah, we just gotta clean up. You see it.
Throwing money in a spiral. Every time the girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my hole. She shake her ass through the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tightrope. I be blowing up like some pyro. 150 call it gyro. If she left with me, she go right home. And she ride me like a BMX. Mrs. 70 is the dino. I got 2 horns like a rhino. There's no way you can buy home, but I better mention with this rhino. Yes, I opened up the slide door, so you can hear it in the high note. I know. Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Foreign girls and they test, I can't choose. Foreign car got me lit, I can't prove. They got on my dad, I can't even see the time. They don't wanna see her face. I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the red, I'ma make it lose his mind. I just made 100K, I was quicker than a vine. I was flicking from my mind. Try to put me down, but I climb. I'ma get it, keep trying. There's no reason for the grind. You the ones that be sliding, they the ones that be dying. You my boys that be riding, you my doors superside. Side note, you will never reach my goals. I be walking with a slime nose, and I'm also walking with my side hoe. Only time I be walking when I'm on the moon, so I feel like Michael. I was talking to my little slime, that's a little lizard called a Geico. In reality, I'm 5-0, stand on my money now, 6'6". You know what, now she just missed, can't fuck her sister, make her link dick. 40 only make my hip dig. When I see her up, make the clip hit. Aiming at the stop, or you need a mob, man, I'm going out with a vengeance. My fans, Brad Simmons, my so she ain't my dick like a fish stick. Hit it raw, yes I am a dog. I don't do this shit for no image. All my diamonds, they be hitting hard. Try to play me, boy, that's a scrimmage. They got on my dad. I can't even see the time. They don't wanna see her face. I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the wrist. I'ma make it lose his mind. I just made 100K. I was quicker than a vine. I was flicking on my mind.
3 hours later.
Okay, that was very much just a waste of my time. So my mama bought me this digital antenna thing, and I done had it for a while now, and I didn't know if it worked or not. I tried to basically you just put it in your TV and it's supposed to give you like channels, but you gotta put this close to a window, and in my living room my TV is all the way over there, and my balcony is like the only window type thing. And if y'all look, it kind of looked like it was working, but it was like it probably wasn't close enough to a window. And I'm dumb because I could have just put it in my room, because literally my window's right there, so I could have tested it in there. So I'm just taking it in my room and pushing my TV back to where it was at. But yeah, we pretty much done cleaning up, y'all, in the living room. And look who just woke up. Hey, handsome. Hey, handsome. Hey, handsome.
And I just want to go to sleep, and I've just been constantly, I've been like, I've just been fisting it. I've been fisting all my work. I've just been getting it done. Now.
Yo, I got him this cute little phone that look like an iPhone. I think he got one like mine. It was like $5 from Marshalls forever ago. I just opened it. Can I put my number in there? Can I give my number? I vacuumed, Joe. Living room is looking good. Except for all his toys down there, but I can't do nothing about that because he out here right now. So all this is stuff he keep knocking down. Like, I can't do nothing about this right now, but for the most part, it's clean. I'm going through a little something today. It's Mother's Day. I just came from I had to run to Walmart and get my son some food. That's why I'm like, I got my wig and my hat on. But it's Mother's Day. My mother in here. I'm about to go back in the house. I'm cold out here.
I get them little toes. I get them little toes. Get them little toes.
Tryna put me down, but I climb. I'ma get it, can't try. And it's no reason, but that's right. You the ones that be sliding, they the ones that be dying. You my boys that be riding, you my doors superstar. It's just go any day now. Michael Montana, you get it from cake out. I'm frosting my diamonds, I'm eating the cake now. I stay on your stomach, love until you lay down. Eat it after she just go any day now. Michael Montana, you get it from cake out. Frosting my diamonds since I got the cake now. When you on your stomach, love, you better lay down. I'm so up and I can't turn it down. They counted me out, but when I turned around, clean up my diamonds, you know I got riches. Know my voice coming, you wanted me bitch. That ain't that you waiting for, already spent it. When I'm on the beat, man, you know I'm gon' get it. We be throwing money in a spiral. Every time the girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my home. She shake her ass through the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tightrope. I be blowing up like some pyro. Coupe 150, call it Cairo.